welcome back to another video, y'all. Okay, I know I've been gone. It's been a minute, okay, but I always do this. I just be procrastinating, honestly. That's really what it is. It's just me procrastinating, and on top of that, it's me not picking up the camera. Okay, like I just have a real, like, me and the camera, we're not really here with it yet. But yeah, that's my biggest problem. But anyway, so it's October 1st. I'm trying to start fresh. No, not trying. It's October 1st. It's a fresh start. It's a Sunday. Okay, so let's just, hopefully I post this week. But anyways, in today's video, you guys, I actually wanted to do, what was it, the nightstand. Like, I wanted to go ahead and build the nightstand. I don't know if I told you guys what like style nightstand I was gonna have, but it's gonna be the travertine stone paver trend that's been all over TikTok. It's just so cute, and it's just crazy that it happens to match the aesthetic of my room. It looks super simple. It was pretty much affordable because, like, you can get a good nightstand for a cool $200-300, like just one. So being able to create something that literally matches the space perfectly, like it does, the color, the texture and everything, like, I'm like, yes, gotta go get it. Anyways, right now I'm gonna just show you guys how my mini hallway, which is right here, and everything looks. So as y'all can see, like, I'm finally getting to getting everything painted white. I don't know if you guys remember, it's in there, but the walls were like this gray, like all of this, but I've been slowly, as I've been moving to other rooms, just like painting everything. So I finally got this hallway, like, got this patched up and painted out. I'm going to make like a canvas, you know, the little sheet canvas DIY thing. I kind of like somewhere on there want my dog to walk, like both of them to walk across us so it can have like their paw print on it, and I'm gonna put like a little cute light over it. So that's gonna go on this wall. Again, I have to put the door up. It's in the kitchen on the floor. Just need to paint one more side. I bought black hinges. I didn't want to spray paint them this time, so I just bought some black ones. So yeah, that's gonna go here. And I also got like a new black handle for the door. This is how my room is looking thus far. Right now I'm washing my sheets. That's why you know, everything is looking all crazy. No, for y'all. Yeah, I'm mounted the TV. Who do I think I am? Like, okay, so I was watching videos and I was staring at it for a long time, whatever. And honestly, I was gonna record it, but I was just like, what if it's a fail? So no. Or I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty sure it was gonna be a fail, which is why I didn't record it. But it's up and it's still stuck. No, for real. So I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I'm mounting TV. Like, who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? Like, I'm just baffled. Anyways, and then I also put these little things together. I probably show y'all the other one that I get when I'm putting it together. I mean, it was simple, y'all. I just got it from Amazon. It's two close together, but I think I want to elongate it because literally nothing else is gonna go on this wall. So I think I'm gonna get one more, and I'm gonna put some cute shelving in there and stuff like that. And it's just, you know, like when, I don't know if y'all did this growing up, but like when it was a different season, your mama like put in like totes, like stuff from the, you know, the season that it isn't currently, like, boom, it's winter now, they'll put all the summer stuff up. Like, that's what these are gonna be, because like at the end of the year, fingers crossed, hopefully for my birthday, I want to redo my entire closet, and whatever is current will be in my closet, or like the basics or whatever will be in my closet. But here, just for extra storage, I feel like it's a good place to put the off-season stuff in there. And yeah, again, I want another one to make it longer. Yeah, I'm just excited. Oh my god, y'all, my TV is up because it was on the floor. Y'all know I was like this, laying down in the bed trying to look. But now, stop playing on me. And then you see I got the light fixture up and everything. Like, I don't know, y'all, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited, so excited. But yeah, so that's pretty much my room. Like, it may not seem like a lot to y'all, but it's so much to me, y'all, because it's just like, oh, I just came such a long way. Like, look at those arches. And I just walked past them like they just came with the house, period. Well, I did it, period. Stop blaming me. But that's that. And then lastly, let me see. I mean, I got like a million things to do, but oh, I bought this. Oh my god, y'all, this thing from Amazon broke. I'm so annoyed. I bought this bedside water carafe. I don't know how you say it. Carafe. And it's like this fluted material, like fluted glass, and it was so pretty, but I opened it and it was broken. So that's another thing. I need to take that back to Amazon, well, UPS, so I can get my refund. But I'm just go ahead and order another one. I'm about to start running my mouth. I'm hungry. Oh yeah, I'm also not eating out this whole month. So don't even ask me, y'all. Don't even ask me, because I'm gonna say yes. I'm just like, I'm gonna make me probably like a peanut butter jelly sandwich real quick, and I'll see y'all where I'm going first. I'm gonna see y'all at Florida Core. Bye. Let's go ahead and see what these lamps talking about. Hey y'all, okay, so it's another day, and I am still not done with the last night's stand. So the other day, when I was like finally trying to put it together, I got the second set of stuff, or I was getting the second set of travertine stone pieces out of the cart, and like I put it on the carpet. I didn't drop it from here. I literally dropped it literally a centimeter from the ground, just because like I didn't want, like I don't know why I did it, but and it broke, and I'm just like, what the fuck, right? So I couldn't finish it last night. So yeah, I just went back to the store earlier today to get one more piece. And then I did add like the shelf and stuff and just put it up, and then made my bed and clean my room. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick how everything is looking, and then I'm gonna put the other one up, and then we gonna wrap this up. So this is how my room looking with the carpet lines. Boom. The bed is made, and this is one nightstand. It just looks super cute. At first I had like a little plant up there, but I took it down just because I like the minimal look, like super clean. This happens to be a coaster that I had like a while ago, and I just happened to just, you know, just put it in here just in case I have like a cup of water or something. And it literally is travertine. Like, who knew? Who knew? Who knew? And I had this like almost a year now. But yeah, she looks really, really good, really pretty. Like I said, I added this shelf. I was gonna add like another one here or down here, but I don't want to like overdo it, so it's just here for right now. And then I just added this like this little candle that I'm never gonna burn. Yeah, I do have another little tray that I want to put up here like for my jewelry. And then I have an idea of how I kind of sort of want to style the other one. but I don't have the stuff with me, so you guys will see that like in the next video, like how I actually style the nightstands. Well, both of them, because I'm missing a couple things, but it's not gonna be here. Well, one of them is here. It came broken, so yeah, y'all just gonna have to see that in another video. But it looks so good, right? Like, so good. But let me get the pieces out the car and let me gently get it so I can finish building it, so I can wrap this up. Okay. Okay, my love, so that pretty much wraps up this video. The nightstand just looks so good, y'all. I'm so happy and so full of life. But pretty much just how my room has turned out, or is turning out. It feels so good in here, y'all. Like, the energy is so just like pure and serene. Like, I love it. Like, I literally love this space. Like, literally. Anything that you guys may be looking for, 9 times out of 10 they are in my description bar below. If I did get it from like another store that doesn't have like a you know, online website, I will be sure to let you guys know in the description bar below as well. But 9 times out of 10, like I said, everything will be in my Amazon storefront. Let me see. Oh, the next video, oh, the girlies are gonna love the next video. The next video is just gonna be so cutesy poopsy. But yeah, I just can't wait to show you. But again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, for liking and like my room as much as I like my room. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.